कोर्स का ब्रिज। अगर ये मन ठीक ठाक से हमने रखा। थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू मैडम। सो इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मन काम एंड क्वाइट होगा, इसके लिए टेक्नोलॉजी हमें हमारे पास उपलब्ध है। कैसे उसे रखना, आपकी प्राणिक एक्टिविटी जो शरीर में, इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड योगा थ्रू द मॉडर्न एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी, you may be able to understand a bit, but if you are really interested to understand yoga, you have to understand the yogic anatomy and yogic physiology. With these words, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening lecture. Now I will request Dr. R.N.P. Sinha, Department of Surgery, Bardhaman Institute of Medical Science. Respected Chairperson, distinguished speakers and guests, learned faculty members, students, scholars and staff of Nam Naranda Mahavihar, media persons, ladies and gentlemen. Though the topic of today's topic is yoga, science and technology, Professor Sharma has already told in detail, but I will like to restrict myself to the basic aspects of the yoga. Today, every person is talking about yoga. I would like to tell the new entrants who want to practice yoga, what are the information they require prior to starting yoga. What is yoga? Yoga is a practice that connects body, breath, and mind. It uses the physical posture, breathing exercises, and meditation to achieve overall health. Yoga was developed as a spiritual practice thousands of years ago. Today, most of the Western countries are using yoga as exercise and for relieving stress. What are the benefits of yoga that people are talking about? Yoga can improve overall fitness level and improve your posture and flexibility. It may also lower your blood pressure, heart rate, help you relax, improve your self-confidence, reduce stress, improve your coordination, improve your concentration, help you sleep better, and aid with digestion. In addition, practicing yoga may also help with the following conditions like anxiety, back pain, and depression. Then, how you should start yoga? So, before starting, you look for yoga classes or at your local gym, healthcare centers, or yoga studios. If you are new to yoga, start with a beginner class. Talk with the instructor before the class and tell them about the injuries or health conditions you may have. You may want to ask about the instructor's training and experience also. However, while most instructors have had some formal training, there are no certified yoga training programs. Choose an instructor you enjoy working with who does not push you in ways you are not comfortable. What to expect from yoga? Most yoga classes last from 45 to 90 minutes. All styles of yoga include three basic components. That is, first is the breathing. Focusing on your breath is an important part of yoga. Your teacher may offer instruction on breathing exercises during the class. Second is poses. Yoga poses or postures are a series of movements that help boost strength, flexibility, and balance. They range in difficulty from lying flat on the floor to difficult balancing poses. Third is the meditation. Yoga classes usually end with a short period of meditation. This quiets the mind and helps you relax. What are the styles of yoga? There are many different types of or styles of yoga. They range from mild to more intense. some of the more popular styles of yoga are: first is Ashtanga or power yoga. In Hindi, Ashtanga means 8 limbs. What are the 8 limbs of yoga? First is Yama, that means abstinence. Second is Niyam, observances. Third is Asana, that is yoga postures. Fourth is Pranayam, breath control. Fifth is Pratyahara, that means withdrawal of senses. Sixth is Dharana, that is concentration. Seventh, Dhyan, that means meditation. And the eighth is Samadhi, that is absorption. This type of yoga offers a more demanding workout. In these classes, you quickly move from one posture to another. Another style is Bikram or hot yoga. You do a series of 26 poses in a room heated to 95 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 to 37.8 degrees Celsius with a humidity of 40%, intended to replicate the climate of India. The goal is to warm and stretch the muscles, ligaments, and tendons, and to purify the body through sweat. It was developed by Bikram Chaudhary. Third is Hatha Yoga. This is sometimes a general term for yoga. It most often includes both breathing and postures. Hatha Yoga is a path towards creating balance and uniting opposites. Ha means sun or Pingla, and the Tha means moon, Ida, in you. This refers to the balance of masculine aspect, that means active, hot sun, with a feminine aspect, that is receptive, cool moon within all of us. Next is the integral yoga, a gentle type of yoga that may include breathing exercises, chanting, and meditation. It is also called supramental yoga, the yoga-based philosophy and practice of Aurobindo and the Mother. Iyengar yoga, a style that places great attention to the precise alignment of the body. You may also hold poses for long periods of time. It was developed by B.K. Iyengar. Kundalini yoga. Kundalini yoga involves chanting, singing, breathing exercises, and repetitive poses. Its purpose is to activate your Kundalini energy or the Shakti. This is a spiritual energy that is said to be located at the base of your spine. Vinyoga. This style adapts postures to each person's need and ability and coordinates breath and postures. Vinyoga prefixes V and Ni plus yoga. It is an ancient Sanskrit term that implies differentiation, adaptation, and appropriate application. Who should use caution? Though the yoga is for all, but some of the yoga should not be done by some in cases of diseases or ailments. So, what are the causes? Yoga is generally safe for most people, but you may need to avoid some yoga poses or modify poses if you are pregnant, have high blood pressure, you have glaucoma or sciatica. Make sure to tell your yoga instructors if you have any of these conditions or any other health problem or injury. A qualified yoga teacher should be able to help you find poses that are safe for you. How to prevent injury during yoga? While yoga is generally safe, you can still get hurt if you do a pose incorrectly or push yourself too far. Here are some of the tips to stay safe when you are doing yoga. Number one, if you have a health condition, talk with your health care provider before starting yoga. Ask if there are any poses you should avoid. Second, start slowly and learn the basics before pushing yourself too far. Choose a class that is appropriate for your level. If you are not sure, ask the teacher. Fourth is, do not push yourself beyond your control level. If you cannot do a pose, ask your teacher to help you modify it. Ask questions if you are not sure how to do a pose. Bring along a bottle of water and drink plenty of water. This is mostly important in hot yoga. because there is so much perspiration. Next point is wear clothing that allow you more freely. Last is listen to your body. If you feel pain or fatigue, stop and rest. So these are the instructions for a new people who want to start yoga. That's all. Thank you.